We are living in a world full of technology innovation. Every day, new and variety forms of information and communication technology invade our life. From as simple as preparing our meal as part of our daily routine life to an advanced technology aimed at the destruction of mankind. From as early as baby for playing, kids for communicating, studying, and of course for gaming, to our teenagers for networking, social life, hangout, or whatever they are busy with, up to adults, seniors, and some very senior one for communicating, leisure, and self-actualization. No doubt, technology has revolutionized and become an integrated part of our life. A combination of communication technology, computer, and internet to the most recent sophisticated gadgets that combines all the features that make them so powerful yet handy, like smartphones and tablets, no doubt has brought us a limitless of opportunity. Education is no exception. Technology has changed our education sector. The most visible is how technology is being used to enhance the teaching and learning experience, making it more efficient, effective, and productive. Children are encouraged to use technology for learning. Interactions between teacher and student have also taken a new form. Teacher is becoming more as a guide to provide direction as where they should go to get the knowledge, compared to the traditional form of one-way instruction from teacher to student. Hence, from the cognitive point of view, this has enabled teacher not just covering the lower order thinking skills like remembering, understanding, and applying, but it can also cover more critical thinking skills like analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Students these days are considered to be digital native, making some older generation feel a bit like immigrant. They prefer an approach of trial and error as in video game. They are multitasking in nature and efficient at it. They are non-sequential in the use of information, making them going back and forth. But to what extent do we really understand the underlying principles? In traditional view, we look only at the content knowledge and pedagogy knowledge as two components for successful learning. The new concept embraces technology as an integral part, creating what is known as TPEC, Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, where content knowledge is the teacher knowledge of the subject, pedagogical content knowledge is knowing how to teach, assess and report on what you teach, while technology knowledge is not simply knowing how to use computer, rather a broader understanding of how to use range of technology to accomplish learning goals. TPEC is therefore a framework for understanding the complexity of teaching with technology. The new era has also given way to the emergence of the new concept of technology, emphasizing in creating network and collaborative learning as underlined by connectivist pedagogy. Web 2 tools revolutionize how technology is used in education. Web 2 is the second generation of World Wide Web, and the term is used to describe a variety of websites and applications that allow anyone to create and share online information. Wiki refers to collaborative website that allows users to edit and contribute. While blogs are normally a personal web that allow commentaries from viewers. Social networking is probably the most known form of Web 2 tool that allows individuals to have profile, share, and create network of users. While content hosting web like Flickr's YouTube allows users to upload content for others to view. Podcasting is another type of Web 2 tool that allows users to access online or download audio and video files. Despite the advantages, education providers have to be very careful not to fall into pitfalls when implementing technology for instruction. Cosmetic use of technology happens when schools and teachers feel pressured to use technology that respond by looking like they are using technology. Technological imperative happens when work on institutional technology becomes dominated by well-meaning people who are fascinated more by technology than the teaching. The last pitfall is romantic vision. In here, people have the notion that computer can replace the role of teacher, be more efficient than teacher, increase class size, and decrease cost and motivate students. It is important to remember that there can be infinite uses of computer and new age technology, but if the teacher themselves are not able to bring it into classroom and make it work, then it fails. Technology is only one tool in the learning process. It cannot be a substitute for well-trained teacher, leadership, and parental involvement.